We have been getting a lot of comments asking whether the Xiaomi power bank 4i 10,000 mAh one to be exact is having any rattling sound when we shake it. I'm going to shake this power bank and we will see if you are getting any sound or noise from this. As far as I can tell, there is no such noticeable sound from the power bank. Just my fingers sound. But still, sometimes we are confused whether we are holding a genuine product. When I contacted the MI customer chat regarding this, they clearly mentioned that the only way to verify whether the product is original or not is to visit the service center and get it checked. In the future, if there are any such scenarios, it's better to order the products directly from the MI website or app. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.